ഹലോ വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മൈ ക്ലാസ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ തവണത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഒക്കെ എല്ലാവരും വായിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയെന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരൊക്കെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ എടുക്കുന്നത് സെക്ഷൻ 11 തൊട്ട് 20 വരെയുള്ള സെക്ഷൻസിലത്തെ ഒരു 15 മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് പോവാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, the chairperson of the scientific committee shall be dash member: officio, ex officio, state officio, central officio. Answer is ex officio. Second one, establishment of scientific panels under section 14, 13, 12, 15. Answer is 13. Third one, the dash shall consist of the chairpersons of the scientific panels and 6 independent scientific experts not belonging or affiliated to any of the scientific panels: scientific committee, food authority, scientific panel, advisory committee. Answer is scientific committee. The members of scientific committee shall be appointed for a term of dash years: 2, 5, 4, 3. Answer is 3. Which of the following is not the function of food authority? Conduct survey of enforcement, the limits for use of food additives, implementing the work programs, the procedure and guidelines for accreditation of labs. Answer is implementing work programs. Next one, proceedings of food authority comes under section 17, 18, 19, 20. Answer is 17. Chapter 4 describes about general principles of food safety, general provisions as to articles of food, food safety, provisions related to additives. Answer is general provisions as to articles of food. Next one, section 20 deals with dash: genetically modified food, contaminants, naturally occurring toxic substances, heavy metals, etc., pesticides, veterinary drugs, residues, etc., use of food additives or processing aid. Answer is contaminants, naturally occurring toxic substances, heavy metals, etc. Next one, the Central Advisory Committee shall consist of dash members, each to represent the interests of food industry, agriculture, consumers, relevant research bodies, etc. 3, 2, 1, 4. Answer is 2. The dash shall advise the food authority on pooling of knowledge: the scientific panel, the scientific committee, the Central Advisory Committee, the central government. Answer is the Central Advisory Committee. 11th question, section 13 deals with scientific panels, food authority, scientific committee, duties and functions of food authority. Answer is scientific panels. 12th one, all questions which come up before any meeting of the food authority shall be decided by a dash of votes: 1/3, half, majority, minority. Answer is majority. 13th one, contribute to the development of international technical standards for food, sanitary and phytosanitary standards is the duty of central government, state government, food authority, food laboratory. Answer is food authority. 14th one, which of the following is wrong? The scientific committee consists of 8 independent scientific experts. The scientific committee shall provide opinion on multi-sectoral issues. The scientific committee choose a chairperson. The scientific committee shall look after the possibility of organizing public hearings. Answer is the scientific committee consists of 8 independent scientific experts. 15th one, the food authority may from time to time reconstitute the scientific panels is under subsection 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is 4. So now we came to the end of this section. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Bye.